Today we are going to look at the top 5 best car gadgets to buy on Amazon. All items are linked in the description. Let's get into it. First off, we have the ThisWorx Car Vacuum Cleaner. This vacuum is a popular and efficient tool designed to keep your car interior spotlessly clean. This compact and portable vacuum cleaner is specifically designed for automotive use, making it easy to tackle all the dust, dirt, and debris that accumulates inside your vehicle. The vacuum comes with a 16-foot power cord, allowing you to reach all corners of your car without any limitations. The vacuum is equipped with a powerful motor that delivers impressive suction to pick up even the tiniest particles from carpets, upholstery, and hard-to-reach areas. It comes with several attachments, such as a brush nozzle, crevice tool, and extension hose, providing flexibility to clean various surfaces effectively. Coming in at number 2, we have the cleaning gel for cars. The cleaning gel for cars is a non-toxic, water-based gel that can be used to clean and protect your car's interior. It is safe to use on all surfaces, including leather, vinyl, plastic, and fabric. The gel breaks down dirt and grime, leaving your car's interior looking and smelling fresh. It also creates a protective barrier that helps to prevent dirt and stains from sticking to your car's interior. The cleaning gel can easily conform to the shape of various surfaces, including air vents, dashboard crevices, cup holders, and more, effectively picking up dirt and crumbs from every nook and cranny. One of the notable advantages of this cleaning gel is that it can be reused several times, making it a cost-effective option for regular car maintenance. Many variants of the cleaning gel come with a pleasant scent, leaving your car interior smelling fresh and clean after use. If you are enjoying this video, please like and subscribe. Next on our list is the HOTOR Trash Can. The HOTOR Trash Can is a hands-free trash can that is perfect for your car. The trash can has a capacity of 2 gallons, and it is easy to empty and clean. The car trash bag features an adjustable strap that allows it to be attached on both front and back headrest as well as the center console for easier access for all around. You can place this car trash can on the floor, car seat, or hang it for the seat back with the drawstring cord. This car garbage bin can be used as storage bag to keep items such as cups, toys, and other accessories. Additionally, the waterproof advantage also makes it an excellent car cooler of the maximum value for money. The trash can is made of durable and washable materials, making it easy to clean and maintain hygiene. Users have found the HOTOR Trash Can to be a practical and useful addition to their cars, helping them maintain a clutter-free and tidy interior environment. Coming in at number 4, we have the Drop Stop. The Drop Stop is a simple, yet ingenious car accessory designed to prevent items from falling between the seats and center console. It eliminates the frustration of retrieving dropped items and keeps your car interior tidy and organized. The Drop Stop is designed to fit in almost any car model, thanks to its flexible and adjustable construction. The material is easy to clean, and it can be removed and washed whenever needed. Installing the Drop Stop is quick and hassle-free, as it simply sits between the seats and the center console. Customers have praised the Drop Stop for its simplicity and effectiveness in solving a common car interior problem. It provides peace of mind, especially during long drives or when traveling with small items. Overall, the Drop Stop is a great option for keeping your car clean and organized. It is easy to use, durable, and affordable. And finally, we have the SINGARO Car Cup Coaster. This car cup coaster is a decorative and functional accessory designed to protect your car's cup holders from spills, stains, and scratches. These coasters add a touch of style and personalization to your car's interior. Made from high-quality silicone or rubber, the coasters are absorbent and can catch condensation from beverage containers, preventing messes in the cup holders. The coasters are easy to clean and can be wiped down or washed with mild soap and water. This coaster offers a variety of designs and patterns to choose from, allowing you to customize your car's interior to your liking. The coasters are designed to fit most standard car cup holders, ensuring a snug and secure fit. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Check back daily for new videos reviewing top products.